This common bird is known for its ability to mimic human speech. Parrot. This large bird is known for its long neck and is often associated with grace and elegance. Swan. This bird is known for its distinctive red breast and is often seen as a symbol of spring. Robin. This large flightless bird is native to Australia and is known for its long legs and running speed. Emu. This bird is the national symbol of the United States and has a white head and yellow beak. Bald eagle. This small, colorful bird is known for its rapid wing movement and ability to hover in place. Hummingbird. This bird of prey is known for its exceptional vision and is often associated with hunting from the sky. Falcon. This nocturnal bird is known for its distinct hoot and excellent night vision. Owl. This bird is the fastest animal in the world, capable of diving at speeds over 200 miles per hour. Peregrine falcon. This brightly colored bird is native to the rainforests of South America and is known for its large, curved beak. Toucan.